Understanding research methodology is crucial for conducting high-quality research. In this video, we'll explore different study designs, including cross-sectional studies, cohort studies, and systematic reviews. We'll also examine a specific example, the effect of SGLT2 inhibitors on heart failure. Cross-sectional studies involve observing a defined population at a single point in time or during a specific time interval. These studies are often used to assess the prevalence of health outcomes or to identify associations between variables. Example: a study examining the prevalence of hypertension in a specific community at a given time. Cohort studies follow a group of people over time to determine how certain exposures affect outcomes. They can be prospective, following individuals into the future, or retrospective, looking back at existing data. Example: research tracking patients using SGLT2 inhibitors to monitor their heart health over several years. Systematic reviews summarize the results of multiple studies on a particular topic using a standardized approach. They provide high-level evidence by critically evaluating and synthesizing existing research. Example: a systematic review analyzing multiple studies on the impact of SGLT2 inhibitors on heart failure to draw comprehensive conclusions. To illustrate these concepts, let's consider research on SGLT2 inhibitors, a class of medications used to treat type 2 diabetes, and their effects on heart failure. Cross-sectional studies might explore the prevalence of heart failure in patients taking SGLT2 inhibitors. Cohort studies could track heart failure outcomes over time in patients on these medications. Systematic reviews would compile and analyze data from numerous studies to assess the overall impact of SGLT2 inhibitors on heart failure. Each study design has its strengths and is suited for different types of research questions. Understanding these designs helps in choosing the right approach for your research and in critically evaluating the scientific literature.